Another way to do these distance formula problems is to take the 2 points and put them on top of one another and subtract. So let me show you how it would go. You have these 2 points here, and what you do is you just put one on top of the other. So put 6, 5, and you can do it in either order, it doesn't matter. And then negative 1, 2. And I'll show you how it can be done both ways. So and you subtract the 2. So 6 minus a minus 1. So minus a minus is a plus. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Right? And then 5 minus 2 is 3. Right? So this is the delta x, and this is the delta y. Right? And see the 7 and the 3? And then you just say 7 squared. Let me give us a little bit of room. And let's just look here. And then you just look at this. Then you just do 7 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared, which is the distance in between the 2 points. Now watch how it works in reverse. If you put the 2 points on accident, you put the wrong one first or something, or what you perceive to be the wrong one. So if you did it like this, negative 1, comma 2, and then 6, comma 5, and subtract. Negative 1 minus positive 6 is negative 7, right? Negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7. And then 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Okay, well if you let this be delta x and delta y respectively, it'll still work, because watch. If you have negative 3, I'll come right here. If you have negative 7 squared plus negative 3 squared equal to c squared. Let me make sure that made it in. Yep, just made it in. Then look, anytime you take the square of a negative number, then the negative goes away. So then negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. So we have 49 plus negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So the negatives are always going away, and so they're not presenting an issue. So then we get, this is 58, so 58 equals c squared. So then c is equal to the square root of 58. 58 like this, and then this is about equal to 7.6, right? So it doesn't matter if you put which point you put on top, right? These will come out to be negative, right? But it doesn't matter because you're squaring them. So it's just kind of a mechanistic way for those who'd rather do it bookkeeping way rather than the visual way of graphing it. Okay, I'm going to step aside and give you a clear screenshot. Try it out.